there's literally a clown running for office in Brazil,
I
right?
love him. I
Yeah.
think he's genius. So he's basically saying that what does a congressman do?
Mm-hmm.
The truth is, I don't know, but vote for me and I'll tell you. So he's being honest in front of the people, and people love it. So they said, why not? He's going to be the one who, you know, he'll report back to them what the other congressmen are up to. So it shows how people are fed up with politics.
No, this is
Politicians who are liars.
Yeah, so you're clear. This is a literal clown. He's the Brazilian clown known as...
And I love his shoes. My friend, Diana, she has the same kind of shoes, so I sent her the picture this morning. I said, did you give him the shoes?
How did she feel about having
the same shoes?
She literally has clown shoes.
Clown shoes like that, all the colors like that.
Maybe she should run for
rainbow
Congress.
shoes. I call them rainbow shoes.
Okay. His name is...
Oh, the name is... What is it like?
I don't know. There's no way I can pronounce it right. Tiririkaka? Tiririkaka?
I tweeted today that he should have a YouTube channel, and he would have so many millions of people watching him because, look at this.
Look at him.
1.3 million already voted for him.
Yeah, he blew out the competition. He won. He nearly doubled the closest competitor.
Yep.
Okay? And it turns out they try to get him...
He's so happy.
Yeah, well, yeah, he's very excited about it. He's a happy clown. They try to get him banned from the election because they think he's illiterate. But he's like, yeah, I'm a clown. Listen, but the real clowns are in Congress. I'm going to go figure out what they're up to, and I'm going to come back and report it to you.
Do you really believe he's a clown? Like, he's illiterate? Like, literally?
Oh, I don't know if he's really illiterate, but that's what they charge him with. I probably not.
I seriously think he's very smart.
Oh, yeah. Well, he ran a very smart campaign. There's no question about that.
There's no way this kind, you know, he's brilliant.
And, you know, and people are tired. Here in the U.S., in Brazil, everywhere, right? They're tired of the smarmy, smug,
fakeness,
fake professional politicians, right? So when this guy comes up and says, look, you know, I'll be honest with you, I'm a clown.
I don't know what I'm going to do, but, you know, let me do it.
Yeah, and let me go figure it out.
And I'll show you.
And people are into it. And, of course, he's a little bit of a celebrity. That helps him, you know, so that's true, too. But
I guess he's a likable person. You know, he has a personality that people can relate to. And
yeah. So let's see what he does in the Brazilian Congress and see what kind of ass he kicks and figure out. And he'll come and tell us. That's the whole point,
Let's just put all celebrities in the White House.
Yeah, one day in Congress, Senator Hot for Words.
Oh.
And Senator Uygur, not likely. I think Marina has a much better chance than I do.